Hey guys, welcome to another coreldraw tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to use bezier tool to trace an image like this one to turn it into what we call a clip art or a vectorized logo like this. So make sure you watch the whole video and give us a like and subscribe if you're new to this channel. So let's begin the tutorial. So the very first thing we're gonna do once we are on CorelDRAW software, we're gonna go to the left and you'll see this dashboard here. Go to the tool freehand tool and click, and you will see this list, and click where it says bezier right here. Okay, so again, this tool, it's pretty much connecting the dots and shaping or molding, whatever you want to call it. It's used for many graphic designers to trace an image. So we're gonna start with a point here. You can start anywhere you want. This is just me starting this way. You can start any way you want. It's not, and there's no rule or where to start. Just, choose one point and then you can finish where you started. And basically it's just taking shape and tracing, and there we go. All right, we got the first part, and double click on what we have so far. Double click, right click, and you will see the list and curve again. Double click and curve, right click on the list and curve, and so on. It's pretty much the same. Again, right click, list to curve. All right, now let's work on the rest. All right, we got the first part there done. Now we're gonna focus on this right here. All right, so this is basically everything we're gonna do. Just trace. It might take a little bit, but once you have your image, you don't have to worry about copyright. You don't have to worry about any of that. It's your image. You made it and it's yours. And again, you can sell this on many websites like Etsy that I've been talking a lot lately. You can sell it there for a good price. People will buy it. They're always buying clip arts. Now we're gonna do just circles here because this one right here is pretty much circles. Okay, so we don't have to worry about much right now. Just follow the shapes. Okay, now we're gonna go here, click and finish. All right, do the same right here, click, and click. All right, actually, you know what, let's make a right click, curve, and shape it. All right, we got this done now. Weld, get that, choose that, and weld. All right, now we are gonna work on the arm. We're gonna zoom out, and again, I'm just using the same tool. All right, so no need to worry about where you start. Again, just start whenever you want to start, and just trace, and just keep in mind it's a clip art. You don't have to be very specific or perfect, if you know what I mean. Okay, zoom out. Right click to curve. All right, now you can add color if you want. Whatever you have done, you can start adding color. It's up to you. Now we're gonna work on this second arm of the machine and just follow. Again, it doesn't have to be perfect. Remember, it's just a clip art or and just an image, a cartoon, whatever you want to call it. All right, so you will the more you practice, the better you're gonna get at this. I promise you, it is not as difficult as it looks. You just need to practice and you will dominate this tool that is very, very handy and very important that you masterize, because the more you know, the better, and you can again, you can sell these images for a good price, and they're yours after you trace the image. That's the best part, even if it takes an hour for you to make this logo or transform it into a clip art. And so far I got like 5 minutes since I started, so it's not that bad. Alright guys, so I'm pretty much far advanced now. I have most of it, and now I'm gonna do the cabin where the pilot is, or the driver. So I'm gonna start tracing that. I'll show you when I'm doing the wheels down. So yeah, it's pretty much just trace, and it's pretty simple. It's pretty simple job. Again, the more you practice, the better you will get at this. So practice, and you can start with simple designs. I don't know, like I used to start with maybe just a banana, or I don't know, something simple to trace, or a leaf. You can start with a leaf, and then you can move on to more difficult designs. So yeah, I'm gonna show you here in a second what I got so far, okay? And I'm just gonna close it down here. All right, so I finished tracing the where the pilot is. Now we can start making this adding more color. All right, so you're ready for this? All right. Okay, there's that. Then there's this. All right, you're ready for this? And then we're gonna add the cabin. And actually, you know what? Let's grab the windows and do trim, and make the windows gray. Okay. All right. There's that. There's this, and here we go. And it's taking shape. See that? Now all that's done, it's the wheels. Then we can see the final result. And I'll show you a trick here before we continue with the wheels, before we move on to the final. All right, now we can either leave this gray like this, well, but we're gonna give it the impression that it is indeed glass. Okay, now you're ready for this? Okay, let's go to transparency, There you go. Once we remove the whole image, it will make a little more sense. Let me show you. Let's get rid of the real picture. You see that? It looks like glass. Cool trick, huh? You can do it blue or whatever. But let's finish the wheels now. Alright, so I finished tracing the whole image using Bezier tool, and now I'm gonna get rid of this image. Are you ready? Now click. Ta-da! That's a final product. It is 100% yours. You can still add more details like the inside of the cap. I can probably add more stuff, but I just wanted to show you how important is that you start dominating this tool, because it will help you a lot with your projects, and you can definitely make good money with this type of design. So I encourage you guys to start practicing, and start doing start with small stuff, and then you can dominate this tool for sure. So thank you again. Give us a like and subscribe if you're new to this channel. I will see you guys again on the next tutorial. Thank you.